Well, since dumb robots get views, let's do another one. No, I'm not reviewing... Good, fall off. You're dumb enough to. No, I'm not going to review this thing because it's just that dumb. But I am going to show the test mode because the test mode is cooler than the thing itself. And if enough people request it, I will do a video, a very long video going through all the sounds in both languages. No, like I said, I'm not going to do a review of this thing because I don't understand the show, why kids like the show, anything about this crazy thing. I bought it for my sister as a Christmas present, and I thought the test mode was interesting, so that's what we're going to do in this video. So, to get to the test mode, it is very easy. You hold down the head button, and the button on the chest, and turn it on. So, the first mode. Whoa! Oh. Scared the plop out of me. You're gonna have some kind of fire. If it wasn't my sister's, it would be in some fire. It's dumb. Anyway, well, after that. So anyway, first mode is the motor test. This thing is so cheap and so bad that it is probably, I don't know. It only has 2 motors. When I first saw this, I was thinking, oh, Zoomer robot, all 4 wheels are going to move. It's probably going to have, some more, maybe 1 extra motor in the waist or something so it could get back up. No, just the 2 front wheels. That's all that moves. So, motor test. If this wasn't my sister's, I would let it fall right off the edge. Because it's that dumb and it deserves it for existing. Run into the wall. So if you press the button, it goes forward. Press the button again, it goes backwards. Press the button again, it stops it. Okay, that's done. Press the head to advance to the next section, into the next part. Next is the sensor test. So each sensor is represented by the movement of each side of each wheel. So if I put my hand in front of the left side, oh, it didn't actually go into. I didn't push it hard enough. Okay, I didn't push it hard enough. There's not too much. Alright, well, I guess it's going off of the wall. So if I move it closer to the wall, the motors will move faster. It's testing the distance sensors, so the closer you move an object to the sensor, the faster the motors will move. Okay. Make sure I press it hard enough every time. I don't know what this next part does. The chest button. For some reason only says 1. I don't know what it's testing. I've tried whatever the heck this thing is back here that opens up and shoots the things. There's no sensor in the parts that shoot out or the thing in there, so it can sense if the things are in there. And there's no sensor in the buttons that shoot them out. And the sensor the test for the sensor that detects when it's closed is after the sounds, so it's not that either. I don't know what this part is. So, let's hit the... Well, that was kind of loud. I wasn't expecting it to be this loud. But that is the speaker test. If I hit the head again, I will go through the all the sounds. I'll make another video on all the sounds in each language if enough people want to see it. Next mode. Oh, I think that's the sensor. No, maybe not. Maybe it's the language switch. Yes. English and French, I think, are the two languages. Press the button again. I think it's the, yeah. So closed is 1 and open is 2. It has a, for the people that can't see, it's got this thing on the back that shoots stuff out of it. And it extends like that. And then whenever you're not using it to go through the missions or whatever, the map, you just plop it back in. Okay. I don't know what the last few are. There's no motion sensors or anything, so I don't really know what this mode is. Language switch doesn't do anything. Okay. That's the next part.
Do my best and forget the rest.
Yeah, do your best to fall off. I love doing this.
I'm on it.
Yeah, just shake around a little bit.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I don't like this thing. I guess, I mean, it's made for younger kids. I guess you can't really expect much, but still. Next mode, nothing. Okay, and it resets. So that was the test mode for the Paw Patrol Zoomer Marshall. It really wasn't, it's not a very interesting test mode, but it's more interesting than the toy itself. No, I don't watch this stuff because I am way past that age. So I don't understand anything that goes on with this toy. I know some of it because I hear my sister watching the stuff. That's about all I know. But I guess we'll see if this one goes up in views. Because for some reason the Zoomer Hungry Bunny video is at 6,000 views now. I don't know why. I guess people just like dumb robots. But yeah, that was it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.